this 7 text here in the glass, this is actually a separate object. So it's not a shader, or it's not an element of the shader or for the actual glass cage here. It's a separate object, but it's kind of kept within the glass. So let me just show you that. So I go into wireframe. See, we've got the object here. Now the glass itself does have a tiny amount of thickness to it, as you can see. We've got this face here. And the actual 7 is within that thickness. So we've got the glass. I don't know how easy that'll be to see. Let me zoom in. We've got one side and the other side, and right here in the middle is that number 7. So it's within the glass structure. And really the thing that gives it this lovely, slightly blur faded effect is that the glass is using a glass BSDF, right? So that's the actual display glass. But this inside text, if I grab the right one, is also using a glass BSDF, but they have slightly different roughness values. So the case itself has a more complex roughness pattern, which is actually this whole hexagonal thing going on. But you can see some hexagons down there. And that's a gradient where it's stronger hexagon pattern going down to nothing. And this number 7 is just a roughness of 0.179. And this also kind of acts as the opacity in a way, because that roughness of 0, you will still see it there, but it's just kind of blended straight into the glass. And at a really high roughness, it's bright again. And that is modified by the color you set. I like to keep it on white. And again, 0.179 is a good value for that at the moment.